My name is Muhsin, and I am going to show you today about my personal site rebuild. This is Muhammad.dev, a site that I have been owning and rebuilding incrementally over the last 6 or 7 years since I acquired the .dev domain for my name. So the latest iteration is mostly done using AI, and I just wanted to show you how I did that. Okay, I started off with Claude Design, and I asked it to create a, a theme, not really a theme, but a design system based on JavaScript for my uh, taste. That is like using the colors that I like, the fonts, the styles, and so on. I then imported or handed this design over as a zip file to Codex. I then opened Codex and gave enough context around the design that Claude Design generated, and I spec'd it out using Codex and asked Codex to create a child theme. The parent theme of this is Ollie by Mike McAllister, one of my favorite themes of all time. And what I did was I then asked the codex to create a child theme and to maintain the content and only to change the skin of the homepage mainly. It really generated a beautiful header or a hero section, and it also has like a selected clans, the writing on certain blogs, and the speaking engagements, the open source projects, some selected testimonials, and all of this can be linked and seen if you click through this link to their respective pages. And finally, I asked the footer to be coming across all of the pages. Thank you. Thank you for taking a look at my personal blog.